Understanding Using Herbicides, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore an interesting phrase, using herbicides. Whether you're a gardening enthusiast or just curious about new English phrases, this video is for you. Let's dive into what herbicides are, how they are used, and the context in which this phrase is often found. Stay tuned. Herbicides are a type of chemical substance used in gardening and agriculture. Their main purpose is to control or eliminate unwanted plants, commonly known as weeds. It's important to understand that herbicides are specifically designed to target plants, differentiating them from other pesticides that might target insects or fungi. The word using in English refers to the act of employing something for a particular purpose. When we say using herbicides, we're talking about the application or implementation of these chemicals in a garden or farm setting. It implies a deliberate action taken to achieve a specific goal, in this case, weed control. Using herbicides is a phrase often found in discussions about farming, gardening, and environmental management. It can appear in various contexts, such as gardening guides or tutorials, debates about environmental safety and agricultural practices, instructions on the packaging of herbicide products. Understanding the context helps in comprehending the broader implications and discussions surrounding this phrase. It's crucial to note that while herbicides are useful, they come with certain environmental and health implications. Discussions about using herbicides often involve topics like safety measures for handling and applying herbicides, the impact of herbicides on the environment and biodiversity, regulations and guidelines regarding herbicide use. These aspects are essential for a well-rounded understanding of the phrase and its significance in real-world scenarios. We hope this video has shed light on the meaning and usage of using herbicides in English. Remember, exploring phrases like this not only enhances your language skills but also broadens your understanding of different subjects. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.